or više. Hands up those who get confused about whether to use još or više when we want to say more in the Croatian language. Yeah, me too. Seems I use the wrong one every time. Well, here's my take on the difference, and I fully expect to be corrected. First of all, let me clarify that this post concerns when we want to say more of something, more apples, or more flour, or more people, for example. This is different from the use of the words još and više in the context of time, which I talk about in another post, vocabulary number 13. So here's my take. Još means some more, additional to what one already has. Više means more than in a comparative sense. So here's an example of my distinction. It's breakfast time, and Mum gives some porridge to both of her sons, Ivan and Ante. Ivan says, "To nije dosta. Želio bi još." That is not enough. I would like some more of it. Ante says, "Sada on ima više od mene. Daj mi još." Now he has more of it than me. Give me some more. Perhaps you can see clearly that the comparative nature of više means that it's used when the English equivalent uses or implies the use of the comparative word than. Daj mi još, give me some more. On ima više od mene, now he has more of it than me. Here's another example to demonstrate. The audience think the concert has finished. They call out, "Još, još, more, encore, give us some more." The singer replies, "Ima još, we have more. There is more to come." After the concert, Maria says to her boyfriend, "Da su bar pjevali više pjesama." If only they had sung more songs than they did. So više. With that simple distinction, let me give you some more examples based on phrases used in the hrvatsko-engleski rječnik of Bujas. The distinction is not always clear-cut, at least to me. So, još. Da mi još jednu čašu. Give me one more glass. Give me an additional glass. Trebam još par dana. I need another couple of days. I još nešto. And one more thing. Što još? What next? And više? Više? Imam 2 put više od njega. I have twice as much as he has. I have twice more than he has. Više volim janjetinu nego govedinu. I like better lamb than beef. Ima više od 30 godina. He is more than 30 years old. Tako je. Ni više, ni manje. That's how it is. No more, no less than that. Sve više ljudi se brine. More and more people than before are worried. Now, in case you think that everything's now clarified, there is a term, još više. Ima još više u ostavi. There is even more, still more, in the pantry. Think about that one. Lagano je, jel da?